Hello friends, in this video we are talking about the lifestyle of BTS member V. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel Celeb Secrets and also press the bell icon for more informative videos. V, also known as Kim Taehyung, is a South Korean singer and songwriter. He is a member of the K-pop boy band BTS. V lives a luxurious lifestyle thanks to his successful career as a musician. He owns a penthouse in the posh Gangnam district of Seoul, South Korea, which is estimated to be worth $5 million. He also has a collection of luxury cars, including a Genesis GV80 SUV and a Mercedes-Benz G-Class. He has a net worth of over $20 million. He is one of the most popular K-pop idols in the world. He has over 60 million followers on Instagram. He is a brand ambassador for several luxury brands, including Dior and Louis Vuitton. He is a talented singer, songwriter, and dancer. He is also an accomplished artist. He is known for his kind and humble personality. V is known for his love of fashion and art. He is often seen wearing expensive clothes and accessories from brands like Chanel, Gucci, and Louis Vuitton. He is also a talented artist and has released his own line of merchandise, including clothes, bags, and accessories.